इन्स्टिट्यूट ऑफ इंडियन इंटिरियर डिझायनर म्हळ्यार IIID ह्या संस्थेन डिझायन देशांतल्या सर्वसाधारण लोकां मेरेन पावोवपाच्या हेतून टेकिंग डिझायन टू मासीस ह्या मोहिमेक सुरवात केल्या. ह्या उपक्रमाचो भाग म्हण भारतांतल्या पयल्या डिझायन यात्रेक फेब्रुवारी म्हयन्यांत सुरवात जातली, अशी माहिती IID संस्थेचे अध्यक्ष प्रताप नायक हांणी दिल्या. RDX सुवाती पणजेच्यान गौतम शिरोडकार.
So this Design Yatra is a culmination of an idea which came out in for a national convention we had for all our members, tripartite members in Indore. So we had around more than 2,000 delegates attending it, and more than 15-20 international architects, speakers, having a discussion and doing their presentations. So in that deliberations it came out how we should be helpful to the masses, to the public, how we can through our expertise, how we can reach to the masses to make a difference in their day-to-day life, in terms of design. Every individual I think he requires a good design in terms of everything, in terms of clothing, living, in terms of streets, streets or open spaces, houses. We are taking around 4 nanos, and each we are 29 chapters. We are taking these 4 nanos and driving through each chapter, and we are having different events in each chapter. Like in Goa, it's almost for 12 days, 12 to 14 days. So we have lined up many events, such as a bamboo workshop where we want to have it in a college for architectural students and also the professionals. It's in a way try to revive the traditional methods of construction or working wise. Another panel discussions on the same subject, how to do better for the Goa state, where we are invited the local Panjim MLA, invited MD of JSIDC, senior town planner, product designer. So we are also having one workshop for kids students, school students, where we want to involve a prominent artist from Goa, where he will have a kind of a graffiti art in a school complex in Pujera. The most important project what we are taken up is thanks to Middle Foundation of Goa, where we are giving our design inputs. We have taken it as a project where a prototype is being designed and being constructed now in one of the villages in Bicholi. So next week we are supposed to construction in full swing. Next week it is going to be inaugurated. So this unit, the plan is once it is done, another 500 such units will be implemented across Goa. It's basically in all panchayat areas.
Okay, after Goa, where will be going? Any place you have?
Now from Goa, this convoy is come from Bangalore, is with us now, and from here it goes to Kolhapur, and it goes to Pune. Then I think it culminates in Indore.